What it do, BNB gang? What it do, BNB squad? Yeah, I ain't never seen Bree with short hair, so this will be the first for everything. Okay. All right. Here it goes, y'all. I think this is gonna be bomb. I think this is gonna be real cute, y'all. So perfect length, perfect texture, feel real good, y'all. Thick. It's nothing else to do but cut this lace off and go ahead and install it. So let's get it, let's go. Summertime. Summertime. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Summertime. Like you want me. Okay. Trying to tighten it up, y'all, so it can go on the head perfect. Right. This gonna be fire, baby. Right. We only combed my hot mama out. Oh, this is so pretty, y'all. And it's real good texture, like for real. This is so bomb. This is so pretty. Okay, yeah, so this is what it look like, all the way combed out. Whole 360. All the way combed out. That's the top of it. It's gonna keep sliding off. This how it look. It's real thick and nice. It look pretty, y'all. It's real pretty. So make sure if y'all have not checked them out, make sure y'all go check them out. Link gonna be down in the description down below, so y'all can get like y'all girl Bree. And they got multicolors. They got blue. They got all different types of colors. I just chose pink because it's nothing I never tried before. So, but let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Put my wig cap on. Now this is a wig cap I already had. I probably should have had a brown one just because the hair's so light. But I don't know if they make a difference. So Okay. Locked up for 45 years. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Oh my god. Okay. Hope it's tight enough. And y'all, the trick is when y'all using it like with no glue, well for me this how it works, I just tighten it up, like, because it got actually, you know, the little pieces where you can loosen it up and tighten it. So I just tighten it up to my head so it can just be real tight instead of having to use the glue. So if you don't want to use the glue, that's a good trick you can use. Just tighten it up and it's gonna look the exact same. So maybe everybody know that, but you know, your girl kind of knew at this. But now this mannequin head might be a little bigger or a littler than my head. I don't know just yet. Okay. Look at here. Now see, I'm looking a little sexy. Yeah, I should have probably most definitely had a brown wig cap, because you can kind of see the black, but I'm gonna work a way around that and camouflage that on in. So I'll be back. I'm finna get it together, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna get it together, so I'll be right back. Ta-da! This is what it looks like, y'all. I love it. It's short, it's perfect. It's just perfect for the summertime, y'all. It's just perfect. I put it up in a little ponytail just to give it some type of, you know, little cute vibe, you know what I'm saying? But this is the 8-inch hot pink lace front wig. So, but they also have multi-colors on their website. So if y'all have not already, make sure y'all go ahead and click off of this video and hit that link in the description so y'all can go and get y'all. And go ahead and get y'all. It's so pretty. I love it. Great quality and everything. So without further ado, I love and appreciate everybody. We on the road to 100K. Y'all know we doing a big giveaway, so make sure y'all comment in that community so we can go ahead and enter y'all in for the giveaway. We really love and appreciate everybody. Until next time, to our next video, until our next prank. See you guys later on Bam and Bree Nation.